Hey there, lovely people. Welcome back. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join this beautiful community. Today, I've got something special for you. We're diving deep into the surprising truth about Buddhist morning habits. Trust me, these simple practices could change your entire day and maybe even your life. All right, let's set the scene. Picture this. It's dawn, and while most people are waking up groggy and reaching for their phones, Buddhists wake up with a whole different vibe. They understand the power of the morning, and I was honestly blown away by what I discovered. So, grab your favorite drink, and let's chat about the top morning habits that can make you feel grounded, balanced, and ready to conquer the day Buddhist style. The first habit blew my mind. Buddhists wake up early, like really early. We're talking before the sun rises. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Ugh, I barely make it out of bed as it is. But here's the thing. This practice isn't just about early mornings. It's about creating space for contemplation. Imagine starting your day in stillness instead of chaos. During those quiet hours, they meditate, reflecting on gratitude and intentions. This simple habit can set a positive tone, so when the world starts buzzing, you're already in a peaceful mindset. Doesn't that sound amazing? Now let's move on to the second habit, and this one might surprise you: minimalism. Yes, Buddhist mornings often include decluttering not just your physical space, but also your mind. They focus on what really matters. Before you even think about scrolling through social media, spend 10 to 15 minutes tidying your room or even just the corner of your desk. You'll not only have a cleaner environment, but a cleaner mind. It's like giving yourself a fresh slate to begin the day. All right, here's the third practice that will change the game: mindful movement. You might be thinking yoga or Tai Chi, right? But it goes beyond that. For Buddhists, morning rituals often include mindful walking or just being aware of the body in motion. It's about connecting with every step you take. Next time you go for a morning walk, try leaving your earbuds behind. Focus on your breath, feel the ground beneath your feet, and embrace the world around you. It's so transformative. Now let's wrap it up with the fourth habit: a wholesome breakfast. And I don't mean just any breakfast. I'm talking about the practice of intentional eating. Do you usually grab your toast on the go? Here's a revolutionary thought. What if you took your time? Buddhists often share meals with mindfulness, savoring every bite, engaging all senses. So start your day not just fueling your body, but nourishing your soul. Trust me, breakfast tastes way better when you actually pay attention to it. And the last habit: positive affirmations. This is a game changer. Many Buddhists take a moment to express gratitude and positive intentions, reflecting on the day ahead. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just 3 things you're grateful for can shift your entire perspective. Journaling your gratitude can connect you deeper with your purpose, bringing your mind back to what truly matters. So there you have it, friends. The surprising truth about Buddhist morning habits. Integrating just 1 or 2 of these practices can help you transform your mornings, making you feel more alive and connected. Let me know in the comments which practice you're going to try out tomorrow. Like this video, share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, may your mornings be peaceful and your days full of joy. Bye.